In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoom meeting ID and password. To get started, open your Zoom account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main Zoom interface where you can access the tools needed to set up a meeting. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one profile for work, school, or personal use. Next, click Schedule. When you do that, a small scheduling window will appear. This is where you'll set up the details for your meeting and customize the settings based on what you need. Inside the schedule window, you can begin by editing the meeting title so it clearly reflects the purpose of the session. After that, choose the start date and time, and then set the end date and time as well. It's a good idea to double check these details so your participants receive the correct invitation information. You can also choose the correct time zone, which is especially helpful if you're inviting people from different locations. If this is a meeting that will happen more than once, you can set it to repeat. If not, you can simply leave that option as a one-time meeting. You'll also have the option to add invitees during the setup process, which can save time and help keep everything organized from the start. Now, to create the meeting ID and password, look for the meeting ID section. Here, select Personal Meeting ID. You'll notice that the meeting ID is already displayed beside that option. This allows you to use your personal meeting room instead of generating a separate random meeting ID. Right below that, you'll see the field for the passcode. You can either enter your own passcode manually or keep the automatically generated one. If you decide to create your own, choose something easy enough to share with participants, but not too simple if privacy matters for the meeting. You can also decide whether to enable the waiting room by checking or unchecking the box. The waiting room gives you more control over who enters the meeting and when. In addition, you'll be able to choose between enhanced encryption and end-to-end encryption, depending on your security preferences and the features you need for the call. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will finalize your meeting settings and create your Zoom meeting using the ID and passcode you selected. And that's it. Your Zoom meeting is now ready, and you can share the meeting details with your participants whenever you're ready.